Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf. Today I'm going to show you how to clear YouTube watch history. This means that you will not have any videos when you will be coming in or opening YouTube. Once I'm opening a YouTube, always when I am logged in, on my YouTube homepage I have some videos which are related to watch history which I have been searching previously. But if you want to start over and you want to delete it, first thing what you need to do is log in into your account here in the right top corner, and once you are logged in into your account, when you will go to the YouTube homepage, you will always see all videos which are related to your latest searches. But if you want to delete it and completely clean it, then here in the left hand side corner, click on this hamburger icon, and here you will see tab history. Click into history, and here on the right hand side you will see this clear all watch history. As you can see, there are videos which I have watched. These are pretty much all my videos. Here if I click on clear all watch history, here it will prompt you like Martin's business. Your YouTube history will be cleared from YouTube apps and all devices. So all videos which are related to your profile, to your account which you are logged in now, will be deleted even on your mobile devices if you are using a mobile app which is also related or attached to your this YouTube profile. And once we click on clear watch history, it will clear it all. And now if I will go back to YouTube, you will see that I don't have on my YouTube homepage any videos which are related to my previous searches. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.